Hi, I'm Ziggy Gonzalez of the Circle Hostel, and we have a little project here called the Plastic Solution. We want to make a pledge for the planet. The Plastic Solution is a movement. We're trying to get everybody to collect all their non-biodegradable trash and plastics and throw that into plastic bottles, and these then become eco bricks. When a bottle becomes an eco brick, it can then be used as a building block for low-income housing or low-cost housing. And specifically, we wanted to show you in the circle that we're executing this. So maybe we can replicate this as many times as possible across the planet, in the country, to have as much impact as possible. When you find a plastic bottle, it doesn't have to be a brand new one, it can be an old one. Usually the first step is to remove the wrapper, pop that into the bottle, and then start shoving all the trash in and use a stick to compact it completely tight. Once you've compacted it tightly, close it, and it becomes an eco brick. So here we have some examples. We always hang up plastic bottles in areas where people get rid of their trash to show people how to execute. So this is all loose plastic trash. We have our staff shove that into the plastic bottles. So we've got another example here in the bathrooms where people usually have a lot of plastic trash, like for soap, for shampoo. So here is an execution of an example of using plastic bottles and plastic trash as a building block. So as you can see inside, the plastic's here. It's used as a filler for the wall. We also have bottles reused as planter boxes. The reason we put this together was because, well, we're surfers and we're very, very passionate about the environment. And whenever we swim, one of the biggest problems that we notice is the plastic and loose trash, non-biodegradable trash that's floating around. So we put this little project together to help minimize the number of trash floating around and have a good impact on the environment. So I'm just challenging everybody to start doing this at home. Get all the loose non-biodegradable trash that you have, pop that and shove that into your bottles and pack it till it's full, and you'll see how much trash you can actually compress into that, and that really makes a huge impact. So for more information, look for the Plastic Solution on Facebook. You can also message us on the Circle Hostel on Facebook and our website, thecirclehostel.com, if you're interested in helping out or looking for more information.